Imagine being trapped for 2 hours, fighting for your life as a 13-foot python squeezes tighter with each breath. This is the nightmare one woman in Thailand faced last week. Against all odds, she survived. In the province of Samutprakan near Bangkok, 64-year-old Arom Arunroj endured a terrifying ordeal when a massive python up to 16 feet long bit her and coiled tightly around her body. While performing a routine chore, she was suddenly thrust into a life-and-death struggle with one of nature's most powerful predators. It all started while Arom was washing dishes in her home. Out of nowhere, the python lunged, sinking its teeth into her leg before wrapping itself around her midsection. She tried to pry the snake's head away, but every attempt only caused it to tighten its grip. For 2 excruciating hours, Arom remained trapped, her strength fading as the python's hold grew stronger. After what must have felt like an eternity, a neighbor finally heard her faint cries for help. Authorities rushed to the scene, where they were shocked to find Arom pale and exhausted, barely conscious. With quick thinking and brute force, rescuers used a crowbar to pry the snake off, saving her from certain death. The python, however, escaped into a nearby forest. Though shaken, Arom survived with minor injuries and was quickly treated at the hospital. While python attacks are rare, this incident is a reminder of the dangers lurking in regions where these snakes thrive. The reticulated python, one of the largest snake species in the world, uses its strength to crush its prey to death, making it a serious threat in close encounters. Arom's survival is nothing short of miraculous, but what would you do in this situation? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible survival stories from around the world. Stay safe and always be aware of your surroundings.